I love this too much. I don't necessarily want to wrap up because it's just we're having too much fun.
But we need to wrap it up, Cesar.
I know. I don't want to do this. This has been so much
Wrap
fun.
it up.
All right. Curtis, thank you so much. And
thank you so much.
Thanks, friends. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for having me. This was really a fun time.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks. Well, cool. One last thing before we get too far in, as we're ending the conference, I really just want to give a special shout out to our sponsors, Analytics to Inform and Playfair Data TV. Well, one thing to check out is Playfair Data TV .tv is the website itself. Definitely check out their site for Tableau training, tips, and tutorials. Today, they're giving us a promo code. The promo code it's all caps. It's TFFNA, which stands for Tableau Fringe Festival North America. It expires at the end of January, so January 31st, 2019. Their lifetime membership is, you get $50 off a lifetime membership. So lifetime membership right now is about $200, which sounds like a great deal. But $50 off, $150 for a lifetime membership. That sounds excellent. Really great deal. We'll definitely have to thank the folks at Playfair for the sponsorship. And everyone, it's been a phenomenal day. I don't want it to end, but as everything needs to, it all needs to come to an end. So for all of our speakers, everyone on the panels, thank you so much for attending. All the people who logged in today to watch us. I got notes from people watching over lunch. They've pulled people into conference rooms. I've heard a lot of stories about people that kind of coming in and out of meetings and watching in between meetings too. So thank you so much for attending. Emily, any parting words?
Yeah. So, to just echo what you said, yes, thank you to everybody who participated today, to the speakers, to people who are viewing either now or on the YouTube replay, to Ryan and Playfair Data. But now, Cesar, it seems like you might have forgotten a little something, or perhaps you haven't gotten there yet. We're going to be in 2019 soon.
Yes. We've got, now TFF is coming back out quarterly. We're going to go through, we are presenting quarterly now. One of the best things is we're going to start off with the EMEA conference, which starts off really soon, right? This is Q1, right?
Yeah, so EMEA will be Q1.
And immediately after that, LATAM is back.
And yeah, LATAM's going to be in the second quarter. David, Nissa, and Jade are going to be co-hosting that again. So I'm super excited to continue to come back to the LATAM region for a second year.
It's incredibly exciting, especially just getting that energy that we got just a couple of weeks ago, actually.
Yeah.
After that, Q3 is Europe once again.
APAC.
Oh no, APAC. Oh yes, of course. Oh, sorry, got these backwards. So yes, APAC is Q3, and once again in Q4, we're back to North America.
We finished it up here at home in North America in the fourth quarter.
I'm excited to see that. Also excited to see a lot of the videos will be coming soon to YouTube.
Yes. Our goal is to get them up within a couple of weeks. So given that it's the holiday season, that might extend out a smidge, but stay tuned for on Twitter. And if you've registered, we'll send an email out through our newsletter to let you all know when videos are available.
Excellent.
All
so
right,
with that, Emily, thank you so much for co-hosting.
It's been so fun.
It's been fantastic. And for all the folks out in the community, the Data Fam, have a good night, and until next year.
Yeah.
Great job, guys. Great job.
Thank you.
Thank you, folks.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.